Want to fix Apex Legends? This profile is not permitted to play online. This video will show you the simple tricks to get back into the Outlands. Let's dive in. First things first, this message usually indicates that your account has been temporarily or permanently banned, or there's an issue with your age restrictions or parental controls. Now, the most crucial step is to check your account status on EA's website. Log in to your EA account, help.ea.com, and look for any active bans or suspensions. If you've been banned, you'll need to appeal it through EA's dedicated appeals process. Next, check your platform's age restrictions or parental controls. On PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, ensure your profile's age settings allow online play and that no parental controls are blocking Apex Legends. If you're a minor, ensure your Guardian settings permit online interactions. You'll also want to restart Apex Legends in your gaming device, PC console. Close the game completely, power cycle your console, or restart your PC. This can clear temporary glitches. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. These can sometimes interfere with game connections or trigger anti-cheat systems. Finally, if you're certain you haven't violated any terms and there are no active bans, it might be a temporary server-side glitch. Wait a few hours and try again. Also, ensure your game client and system software are fully updated. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apex Legends tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.